What's up, everybody? This is Caesar with Chatham Mortgage Partners talking to you guys today about the FNMA Homestyle Renovation Program. A lot of people have been asking about this program because it actually helps you renovate your home throughout the process within a 6-month process to be able to pretty much get it up to par to what you want, opposed to going and buying a new home. This is as close as you can get to something that you would want custom. So if you go over the basics, number one, you have to have a 620 minimum FICO score to actually qualify. You can come in with as little as 3% down. The funds will be drawn within a 6-month period. So if you're actually living in a property or you buy a property that actually is unlivable, you can actually lease out another property and you could factor in those costs into this program as well, into the loan. But let's just go over a basic example. Let's just say that you're buying a property for $500,000, right? And you're trying to renovate it and put $100,000 of renovations into this property. Well, the after repair value must give you a value of at least $600,000 so that you're able to do that. And the only way to do that is you're going to have 3 comparable properties that will give you that value based off the square footage and the renovations that are done to the property, and an actual appraisal, right? So let's just say once that property gets renovated, it's worth $600,000, which is after repair value. You'll come in with 3% down, and the finance amount will be $582,000. So that's going to be your loan amount. Technically, there's also a lot of other factors to look at, but this is the most basic way to look at it. If you're looking into buying a property and you want to get it as close as to custom as you can, this would be the ideal program. Or for anybody that's kind of like in a situation where maybe you need some funds to finish the project, this can actually come into play as well. It is a process. You will need to do like a 60-day escrow to be able to close on these type of transactions, because there is a lot of properties out there that do need a lot of TLC. But this is ideal for a lot of people, especially sellers. So a lot of sellers, if they don't want to get lowballed, they want to get the max they can on their sell of the property, this is an ideal thing. And I really want to put it out there for realtors that want to help their sellers and get the max amount that they can for them. And also with buyers that they're pretty much in a situation where they want to get they're not finding what they're really looking for out there, but they want to get something that's a little bit more custom, more to their liking. This is the ideal program. So share and like this video, and also shoot me any questions or scenarios if you have any questions. I would love to hear any scenarios you guys might have. Thank you so much.